That is huge! Look at the shards from the bowel housing. My whole hand can fit in that hole. Oh my gosh, Kenny.
Hey guys, we're here at Ennis and we are watching something different today. And check out their cars. These are junior dragsters and it's like 6 to 12-year-olds that are driving these things. And look, it even has a parachute. So they're going like 1/8 of a mile. Good morning, guys. I'm here at the shop. They're actually closed right now. And we're gonna check up on my Lunatic car and see, Seth said he's pulling overtime to work on this car and see what the progress is, because we all want to know that. It looks like he got kind of far with it. Ta-da! Cool, Seth. You pulled the engine out. That is huge. Oh my gosh. From looking at it from up in the thing when they had it, the thing on the lift, it didn't look that big to me, but it is pretty big, y'all. Look at this is my hand. Like my whole hand can fit in that hole. Oh my gosh, Kenny. Okay, Seth, so what's the plan?
Well, this oil line got damaged, downpipe got damaged, bell housing is for sure destroyed.
Okay.
But it looks like that's about it. Looks like the flywheel's probably okay, the block should be fine.
Look, I can stick the whole camera in there. What does it look like in there, friends? Okay.
So we got all the parts to fix it, so swap this out, and then we're gonna redo the harness, redo the downpipes. Small changes for Rocky Mountain and then for GTR Festival.
Okay. In other words, it's gonna take how long?
About a month.
A month?
Yeah.
Oh, and then the oil leak, right?
Yep.
Did you guys figure out where the oil leak was coming from?
I'll let you know tomorrow.
Oh, because there was that oil leak, and we all know what happened at Texas 2K, where they pulled me out of when I was about to stage because my car was leaking. So, oh well. But, okay guys, tell me what I can do. Oh my God, I can't get over this big ass hole though. Oosh. Well, that's that. Okay guys, so that's the progress of my Lunatic car. It's coming together and I'm glad we have all the parts, because that's the part that really takes the longest, is getting all these parts for the cars. So we have the bell housing, lines, everything. Let's see what Kenny's doing. It's really quiet because the shop is closed right now. Kenny and Chance are here. So his suspension went out.
No, not suspension.
Is it?
Accumulator. Part of the suspension.
Accumulator went out. So he's getting that replaced right now. Which is that?
Yeah. Huh? So my front lift system's not working, so this is one of the problems. It's got to change.
Oh, is that why it kept going?
That's just a normal McLaren noise.
Oh. So every time it was making that noise. So suspension or accumulator has to be changed. Which, does that go out often?
I've seen it a lot. Different older models. So this is a 2019. So I've seen a few of them gone out. It's normal, I guess.
It's an easy fix.
Easy fix.
That's just part of owning a car. Nothing lasts forever. Okay, Seth is ready for the pressure test. Where is the leak? Let's go hunting.
So under load, when the crankcase starts building up some pressure, we're getting some seepage. So this should simulate that, and we should see bubbles wherever we're getting leakage.
Ooh, science experiment.
Right there.
Do you see it? The bubbles? Oh my gosh! What a cute way of discovering it.
So probably the problem is the powder coating is too thick, and these covers have very thin O-rings. So just a little bit too much powder coating probably in this area, and it's causing it to not seal properly.
So just on that side then?
It looks like
the right side?
We'll probably take the powder coating off and just keep these raw.
Wait, but what about my signature from Mr. GTR?
That's coming off.
Womp womp. That was a cool signature. So it's mainly on this driver side right here.
Which is what we were seeing. That's why you can see all the oil on this side.
Oh yeah. So the other side's okay. So maybe we could just like take half the powder coating out and do a two-face look.
We'll probably just make them raw, and then
Or just replace the whole thing.
well, we have new ones, so we might just replace these with the new ones, and then have these Cerakoted. The Cerakoting is much thinner than the powder coat, and it's a lot harder. So we don't have as much problems with leaking when we do a Cerakote instead of a powder coat.
That's gonna be done at the same time as the bell housing stuff, right?
Yep. So we're gonna fix the bell housing, fix the downpipes because the downpipes got destroyed in the process, and then we're gonna do this wire harness, and that's pretty much it. So
And that's it.
it's not a lot of stuff, but it is time consuming, especially with all the customer projects going on at the same time.
Yes, because I get less priority. But that's okay.
That's why we're here on Monday.
Because I only have this much money. Oh, what does the downpipe look like? Oh my gosh. Okay, so can you guys see that like angle right here? It looks like a big ass rock just like hit it right here. So that's not usable anymore.
I mean, it's usable, but it's not gonna give us.
And there's a hole.
Yeah, there's a little crack in it. It's not gonna give us ideal performance. I mean, I could just chop it here and here, and then repair it. But we have some.
Can we give it away?
No.
Or should we just keep it
We
for
might
a
just
spare?
Fix it for a spare, but we do have some plans to move the exhaust to a more unique place.
Oh yeah, they want to like put it out the side, like coming out right here. That's gonna be fun. Okay, Seth, let's get to work. So removing the bell housing with a big gaping hole on it. Oh, and there's extra metal coming out. Jeez Louise. So the good thing that he was saying was that none of the pieces damaged.
Yeah, didn't.
Right here.
The flywheel's still intact, so we didn't damage the block side.
So that would have been a bigger problem if, are you sure? So none of this stuff, oh, look at me working. God damage. So I guess that's the blessing, is that it just localized to the bell housing portion.
This part right here just blew outward.
Oh gosh. The bell housing with this gaping hole right here. If you guys want this, drop a comment. It has to be local though, because we're not shipping it out. It's super big, but if you want a piece of my Lunatic
It doesn't come with the adapter
car,
that. We need that.
without that, just this with a hole. If you want that memory, drop a comment and see if you can pick it up. First come, first serve. Okay guys, here we go. We're removing the flex plate first. Oh.
There's a dowel.
A dowel? What's a dowel? Oops. Ta-da! Get the shards from the bowel housing that caused a lot of damage here. Okay, so next is we are gonna remove this flywheel out right here, because you could see like all these like sharp shrapnel pieces that basically exploded in there, and so we just want to make sure that there's no more excess shrapnel or sharp parts in there, because we don't want to put everything back together and then have one piece like screw everything up. So we got to get it all cleaned up. Hopefully there's nothing in there. Better safe than sorry.
We don't want to find out the hard way that there was something hiding in there.
Yeah, you always have to double check, especially when it comes to race cars and you're going like 1,000,000 miles an hour. So that's pretty clean. Good. Check out my precision turbos, guys. Da-da-da. Cool. Now you get a real clear view of it because it's always like hidden in there, along with the vibrant clamps. Here is like a rare view of what it looks like with those precision turbos. We have the vibrant clamps, and check out these caps that Seth 3D printed just to keep all the dirt and debris away when we're working on the engine. So it's pretty cool because there's so much like stuff flying around in the shop and you don't want it going in here and damaging the cars. So cool, Seth. And if you guys want it, drop a comment. Let Seth know. He'll 3D print it for you. Got to keep everything nice and tidy. Maybe he can make like a cute pink one for me. Okay, let's like do a quick follow-up with Kenny right here, working on his McLaren and the parts that he had to change out. It looks like they upgraded the parts as well. So tell us what the deal is.
Okay, so this is the old style accumulator, and this is prone for failure. I've seen at least 3 sets have gone out already. So this is the new one that they updated. So this one, the body is obviously smaller and it's aluminum, and the new one is stainless.
It's more beefy.
You can see the construction. It's better construction. It's welded here. It's not pressed in. So hopefully this is the solution for all these guys having issues.
Can you see where it's broken?
No, you're not going to see where it's broken. It's going to be leaking internally. So when it doesn't reach the correct pressure, that's when the suspension error keep coming on and the front lift doesn't work, and it's telling you to take it to the dealer and replace this part.
Okay, the more you know. See, there's the difference with that, and he's working on it, and you have to change all 4 of it, right?
Yeah, so we're on the first one. It'll be done by the end of the day.
Oh my gosh, he is busy too, working hard at that. Hey guys, that is just like a quick episode on what's going on with my Lunatic car. I'm gonna let Seth get back to work because there's like so much that he needs to do with this car, along with all of the other projects at the shop too. So I'll like follow up again, and we'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And whoever wants that bell housing with a hole, hit us up. Bye.